Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So if you guys are wondering why I have on my shades, because I am leaving the house for the first time in forever. We're going to Target and I don't have a mask, but I do have, I'm just putting on my shoes. I'm gonna use one of Tony's bandanas. So let me sit y'all up, because I can't find my tripod right now. I don't know where my tripod is. I'm gonna put this on. I want to sit y'all up. Let me squat down. It's dark in here because, oh, you know what? I could make the little, let me turn on my light. Hold on. Going in and out. Let me try to make this little. I've watched so many. We're on our way to Target.
At the goon. What's the feature?
Look at the parking lot. It's like so many people. Look at Tony. Yeah, so I'm making some asparagus. I finally have all the ingredients that I need to make my asparagus exactly the way that I like it. So what I like to use is garlic, lemon pepper, lemon juice, and I add mushrooms. Y'all have to try that recipe out and let me know if y'all like it. Tonight is burger night, and Tony forgot to turn on the George Foreman grill. I picked up some new rosé today. This is, I'm drinking a glass of it right now. This Le Grand Noir rosé. I found it at Walmart. And then this Chateau Saint Michelle rosé. This one is a little more sweet. I like them both, but I think this one is my new favorite one. So, cheers.
Cracking eggs.
Tony's making breakfast this morning.
Okay, let's see if I can do this.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Oh shoot. I can never get this right.
Almost got it.
Terrible.
How many eggs do you eat? 2? You eat 2 eggs or 3?
I eat 45. Yeah, I eat 3. Come on, watch this, watch this. That was a little better, but there's 2 shells in it. We don't want those.
Yeah, we don't want those.
My hands are so cold just touching this gooey substance. Ah! You can't! Yup. That's what I always do.
Yep.
Never catch me.
You never gonna catch me. You like salt and pepper?
Yup. Salt. Right there.
Sea salt?
Sea salt. So, what I do, I put like the salt into the yellow part.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
So you can tell how much you, okay.
Yep. Cause if
that's
it's not
enough.
If it's not on the yellow part, then I can't see it.
Okay, that's smart.
So I won't know how much I have.
Okay.
And then first, I pour it into my hand just in case one of these open and a bunch fall out.
Okay.
That happens way too much to me. A little more.
Okay.
Alright, now we're done. Now, just mix it.
Can you go a little faster?
Don't rush me. greatness is takes time. Yeah, you know.
Okay.
You know, we need one of those mixers, like.
Oh yeah. But we don't bake enough to have one of those. I have a whisk.
What? This?
Right here.
Oh, ouch. You gotta wash it. It's kind of bent, you know, but
yeah, do the job.
This is weird. I've never used a whisk in my life. This is weird. Okay. Y'all think that's good? Yeah, I think so. Just a little bit more and then we done. Okay, I'm gonna go put this in the wash. Okay, now so we're gonna use this butter. Alright, so then we're gonna put like a good chunk of butter in it. Just spread it around. Oh shoot. Okay.
That's a lot. You really didn't need that much.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna let the rest of the butter sit. And then we just gotta pour some of the egg in. Yup. Just like that. Okay, now I'm just gonna move it, just scramble it, you know. Y'all know how to cook scrambled eggs. If you don't, I'ma teach you. Right, I'm gonna just get it all together. Right, and then I'm gonna make out what's like cooked and what isn't, and I'm gonna flip it.
Okay, so that's how you do it.
Mhm. The most cooked side, that's what I'm gonna start flipping the first. So I'm gonna just rotate it a little.
Okay.
To make it face me.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab it, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try to flip it as best as possible. Okay, so I just gotta grab this. Look at that. Ah, it's hard to get hold of. Okay. Flip it. Just wait. And I like to cook my eggs a little longer because I want to make sure all of it's cooked, right? Because I don't like biting into an egg, right? And then it's like all soft and wet. Well done. Yes.
Okay.
Exactly what I like. So now we're just going to flip it again. And then we're just going to keep doing the same thing until like you see a little brown on it. That's what we're looking for. Yep, it's kind of like this right here, but just like a little bit more.
Okay. So it's almost done.
Yep. So,
okay, do you want to get your plate out and ready?
Yep.
And he doesn't like cheese on his eggs.
Yuck.
He doesn't really like cheese.
Yeah, I don't really like cheese. The only thing that I like with cheese is either when mom makes pasta with cheese, or like cheese on a burger.
Sometimes.
Every time.
Oh, I didn't know. The last few times I thought you didn't have cheese.
Yeah, I always have cheese. All right, I'm gonna try to flip. I'm gonna flip this.
Okay.
To see if it's good. Okay, hold up. Flip. Yep. Now we just need the other side of cooking, and we're all done. Flip this too. Flip. Flip. This gonna have to cook a little bit.
Okay.
Flip this little piece. Oop. And all the extra pieces we could just scrape to the side.
So you don't eat that.
Look at it. Why would I eat that? I only eat it when I'm like starving in the morning, which my stomach gets growly, but like I'm good.
Okay, you want to grab your plate? Let me open this one.
Okay, now we're gonna flip it. Moment of truth. If it's brown on, it's a little brown, then it's done. Yup. Yum. Just put that over there. Now we just grab the rest. Ooh, just watch out. It's hot and ready. Okay, so now you might want to get this part. Alright. And then for like the extra, like this stuff that's like almost burnt, we're just gonna, you know? Because I can't eat that, it's burnt, you know? And then we're just gonna sit that to the side and then just wash it out. Okay. Now we're gonna sit the eggs I made in here. Alright. Off to the bacon.
What kind of bacon do you like?
Turkey bacon. Now I'm gonna add some butter. Not too much this time. That's good. Alright. My mom doesn't like adding butter for some reason. Like, come on, it's bacon, bro. Alright. So we're just gonna let that do its thing for the time being. But this time, instead of using a spatula, I'm gonna use a fork because it's easier. Because like you get stabbed into the bacon, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put the butter out now.
Okay.
Mom, have you ever make like freshly squeezed lemon juice?
Yeah.
Really? So I'll mix. Is good? Alright, for sure. Are y'all ready?
Oh.
That's pretty good. It would have been way better if it was like all the way up. Jeez. Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Not on it. Okay. So we're gonna do oh my, watch out, cause these things pop, man. Remember how I was fighting it the other day?
Yeah. Oh, they know how you have the house smoking up from bacon every morning. So how many pieces do you usually have for your breakfast?
For like the first part, I have 4. Right? Well, actually 5. Cause I have to cook 4 at a time, but geez.
4 pieces of bacon is enough. You be in here eating a whole pack of bacon.
Yeah.
That's why we have to buy so much.
Yeah. Now I'm just gotta make sure it's on it. And we're good. Now, what I'm looking for is when you start to see, you see that? When you start to see that, but like it's a little more darker, that's when I flip it.
Okay.
Oh, good. I know my stuff, man. It's Chef Tony up in here. Whoop, whoop. Oh, hold on, I'm back up. You can do your little thing. I'm back up, because they pop. This thing, what you better do, what I'm about to do right here, when y'all do this, you gotta be real swift with this. You see how it's popping, bro? You don't want to get tagged by one of these, like, it's gonna hurt. Okay, so, look at it, flip.
Okay.
I'm getting, it's popping. Woo! Y'all see that? You see how, y'all see how swift I am, man? You feel me?
Okay, it's looking good.
Hey. It's not burnt, but it's crispy.
Okay.
Yup. It all cooks. It's pretty good, actually. Now, the next side, when it's done like that, when the next side is done, then, yeah, it's going to be big.
Looking pretty crispy, sir.
Oh, okay. Ah! Oh.
This is the problem that you run into in the morning.
Okay. We just, whoop. You feel me? Just put that down. Alright.
See how he put it down on the hot burner? That's how the smoke begins.
What are you talking about? Alright. Put that down.
That looks good.
Put that down right there.
Okay.
Voila.
That looks delicious.
I call this the Tony Parmesan.
Very good, son. Very good.
See?